So we're here at Coverings 2023 on the last day. It's nice and quiet, and I'm here with Jenny from Emac. So we're going to be given a little bit of a different perspective on tile and everything that goes in and around our tile installations, because that's what Emac Specialty is. So thank you so much, Jenny, for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, both of you, for coming and passing by. So we are a manufacturer of profile trims. We do a variety of stuff. We go from decorative to reducers to baseboard to expansion joints, extractor joints, and all that together, it's a complement with the tile.
Yeah, and we're talking about trends with all the manufacturers and where the market is going. That's obviously the big point of the Coverings show. And in novelties, the tile industry is only as good as the support that is around it, and I love the thought and ingenuity that goes into all of the products that you make that supports all of the new trends. One of the things that we're seeing from a lot of the manufacturers and hearing from a lot of the customers is that sustainability is really top of mind for a lot of people today, and tile has a really good message in that sort of conversation. And I know Emac does a few really incredible things towards that. So why don't you talk a little bit about that?
Well, I know how very important it is, the environment, and along with the tile companies, we also put in a little help in it. We have few of our products. It's a Maxi Collection. Our product, it's a combination of natural fibers, which is this one, the Maxi Collection, natural fibers and PVC. So it does help the environment, and it's an exclusive collection of Emac. We're putting a little dots on the market with the tile.
Well, and that's a wonderful idea, because it has the wood grain, and that's a big problem for a lot of the wood grain tile.
And it's a solution for everything. We have a solution for stairs, we have solution for floor separators, we have for decorative. We have for everything you need, we have it.
And it's got some natural materials and simple organic processes.
It is an organic product, so it's natural fibers and PVC, so
that's very, very cool.
It is.
That's incredible. So are you seeing a shift in your consumers looking for adding some modern ingenuity into tile installations? And is there something that you're doing in your collections that is kind of speaking to that? I think we saw something at the show in Valencia.
Yeah, we do have, we have a unique collection. It's called the Eclipse Collection. The thing about the Eclipse Collection, I can show you over here, we have profiles that you can integrate the LED. Again, we have a solution for every problem you have. We have it for baseboard, we have it for stairs, we have as a decorative, and obviously it's something unique that we have. It goes beyond.
I love how multifunctional it is as well. With that one simple recessed kick, you can do a recessed decor inside a wall instance, or you can do it as a kick.
It is very nice. It's very nice, and like I said, it's just unique, and you can integrate it. It's something that you have the option to do it, and it's super convenient, because not only you can use it as a decorative, but if you're going up the stair, you can just turn on the light instead of turning on your whole light. You can just turn on your stair lights, and it lights up your stairs. So it's also saving energy.
With them being LEDs, is it possible to control the color also?
Oh yeah, you can do with LED. It's a whole world with LED. You can do multicolors, you can do pave colors, light colors, bright colors.
That kind of really fits into what the manufacturers are doing with the tinted neutrals. So if your tile has just a hint of blue or something, you can maybe tweak that up a little bit.
Exactly.
That's really cool.
It is.
That's exciting. So what else do you want to sort of talk about that you guys are excited about here at Emac?
Well, we are innovative. Every year we do studies, we do research, and every year we come up with new products, new ideas. Everything to integrate with the tile companies. Because we are the final touch. So if you see a bathroom, it has to have profiles. If you see a house, a construction, it has to have profiles, from structural joints to movement joints to decorative. So we are a complement to the tile industry. And then this year, obviously, our new product is a movement joint that it can be also decorative. So every year we come up with new things to complement everything.
That's something that's really important that you don't see a lot of, especially as the tile is getting bigger. Movement joints become more and more important.
It is.
So having a solution that is actually attractive and can be a design feature, I think speaks very well.
It speaks for itself. I mean, two solutions in one profile.
Yeah.
Movement joints, and then we have decorative. So we're always thinking about customers. We're always thinking about the industry. So we want to make sure that we're on top of everything. When it comes to colors, when it comes to new ideas, when it comes to we're always on top of everything.
Well, it's really cool to see how much thought goes into the design, especially for functional commercial areas as well. Like all of the commercial health and safety solutions that you have for accessibility and safety, like the walk-off mats, all of them are beautiful and functional, and integrate perfectly, that bring more tile into projects.
And like I said, we have to have in mind everyone when it comes to accessibility for houses and universities. So anything, it is something that you can see it and it looks nice and it can be used as a commercial, but it also it's help. I mean, it's something that people need. So we always think about everyone.
Well, I'm tickled to talk with you because I think that creative companies like this that do functional product that's beautiful, healthy, and effective actually make more tile get into projects. So thank you for what you do.
Thank you very, very much.
It was so nice to talk to you.
It was really a pleasure. Thank you very much.